Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Cash App not working in iPhone. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If the Cash App is not working on your iPhone, please try these troubleshooting steps. Simply, if app is open, simply close the app and reopen it again and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, applying the solution number two. Solution number two is update the Cash App. Ensure you are running the latest version of the app. Go to the App Store and search Cash App. Search Cash App. If update is available, simply update the app and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, applying the solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues. Press and hold the sleep wake button and slide the to power slider. Press and hold sleep wake button again until the Apple logo appears. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, restart your iPhone and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check internet connection. Ensure your iPhone has a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Number four, check Cash App server status. Visit the Cash App status page to see if there are any unknown issues or outage. Number five is reinstall Cash App. Delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Tap on the Cash App, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and reinstall again from App Store and fix your problem. Number seven is check for iOS updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go to the settings app, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working, contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps works, reach out the Cash App support for further assistance. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Cash App not working on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.